So guys, yesterday was my little sister's birthday party and yesterday night we opened some gifts, but these are the remaining gifts and I'm excited to open it. And also we got this balloon yesterday. Okay, let's keep this aside. Okay, now let's unbox the first gift, that is the smallest one. Look at this, Cars. I never watched the movie Cars. I don't like it. Okay. I wonder what it is. I'm excited. Let's open it. It's something. Wow! Look what it is. It's a mini dog. Look at her. She's cute. Here you go. So first gift is unboxed. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here so you guys can look. And now it's the second gift. Oh, there's a name written. Oh, there's even a sticker, a little sticker. Happy birthday. So this is the second gift. It's written happy birthday. What do you think it's gonna be? I'm not sure. Let's see. I love unboxing gifts. Wow! Let me open it properly and I'll show you, right? It's okay, so guys, this is a modeling clay set. Look at this. There are so many things in here. You can get clay, you can cook, you can model some food. It looks so good. Wow. Also, there is light, sound, battery options and simulated spray. Wow. Okay, let's put all the trash away on the table. And let's move on. Okay, another gift packaging that I do not know. Okay, it looks cool. It's big. Okay, let's start. So guys, look at this. It's a guitar. Wow, it has object sensing. Oh my god, it's 6 + 1 function, switching freely. Look at the back, keyboard and everything. Okay, and now, last but not least, this is the surprise you guys been waiting for. It's so heavy. It's such a big box. We can't even put the camera. Okay, I wonder what it is. Maybe a doll set, doll houses, something like a supermarket or something. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's open it. Oh my god, it's so gigantic. It's a kitchen set. Yay! It's a kitchen set. So guys, look at this. It's a super tall kitchen set. Whoa! It has lights, sounds, and so much more function. It says it's high quality. Okay. And now this is the back. It's the same, I think. Yeah, so these are all the gifts we got for today. And these are all the gifts. So guys, that's all for today's video. And in the next video, I'm going to review all these toys and their functions. So bye for now. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.